All right, out here with the rocket car again. Multiple cameras again, drone. Unfortunately couldn't find as big of rockets, so we had to make these work, but we'll see. All right, I'm gonna stand off to the side this time so I'm not getting smoked. All right. All right, we're lit.
It's lit!
Couldn't steer it at all. When I steered it, it flipped it.
Man, do I sound like an idiot.
Oh, you know what else? Steering's backwards on it.
You've got to be kidding me.
But either way, it flipped it. Yeah, shoot. Yeah, turning it that way is going wrong. That should be right. So I was turning it wrong, but either way, yeah, it immediately flipped. So I'll need to maybe, there's the width you can change.
Yeah.
So maybe I'll turn that all the way. See, now I can barely.
Yeah.
That's as most I can go. Yeah, I suppose we could try it again.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Okay, second attempt. We had a couple more rockets. Got them loaded up there. A little bit of a mix match set, but let's see what we get. Now I got the steering set right. Hopefully this will be it. Here we go. There it goes. Oh man, that was better than, yeah, we got a ways. That's really hard to steer. I think I might have still had it too much movement in the steering, because plus I was getting smoke screens that whole time, so I might end up having to move to the end.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because I could see it a little bit, and then I wouldn't, and then I could see it, so I was like trying to make steering adjustments through that, and
Well, we went further than before.
yeah,
So
that was a good one there.
that was.
Because I did make some, I was able to steer a little bit, and then we'll have to see what that flip it's doing is from.
You know, I think one of the things I saw is one rocket at a time. I think we need to get a longer distance between the two firing of that rockets.
Yeah,
I think we'll do
a little bit,
somehow gotta get
a bigger gap.
a bigger gap in there. Because you did good until that second, you know.
That might be what it is when I look at the,
It was a smoother takeoff this time.
well, all right, 2 for the price of 1 today. 2 for 1 special. Pretty successful.
Yeah.
We'll have to try to get some of those bigger rockets again, but
I don't know, these seem like they're pretty good.
they're doing good, but I still think those bigger ones really had a thrust on them that we're not getting. But all right, there we go. It's cold. We're wrapping up.
Oh,